Delete the default cube. Add a plane. Grab the plane along Z axis. Rotate it 90 degrees. Go to edit mode and subdivide it few times. Now select vertex from top left and bottom left. Go to object data properties and create a new group from the selected vertex. Now click on assign and go to object mode. Now go to physics and add a cloth. Now scroll down to the shapes and assign the vertex group as your pin group. Hit play. Right click, set smooth. Add a wind as a force field. Now increase the strength to almost 13,000. Hit play. Now you can add other models into your scene. You can also add materials and hit render.